Looking to build your team's capability in service design, research, or human-centered design or service design and AI courses? This is HCD offers practical, hands-on training for organizations, tailored to your context, not off the shelf. Teams at Verizon, AIB, Flutter, AccentureSong, Gusto, local government, government departments, and NGOs across Europe have all leveled up through these programs. To explore what's possible for your team, book a free 15-minute call. See the link in the show notes to find out more. Now let's get back to that episode.
10x your service design offering with Smaply. Take 20% off any order with This Is HCD 20 off. Let's superpower you and your design team's potential. Sign up at smaply.app. Enjoy the episode from your friends at Smaply, helping support This Is HCD podcast.
The top 3 ways to build credibility as a designer in your organization. Starting a new role is exciting, but if you're a designer or even a consultant walking into a new organization that really does not understand what you do, then those first few months or weeks are make or break. I want to give you 3 things that I believe will help you build credibility fast. Now, welcome to This Is HCD. I am Gerry Scullion, and this is your daily dose of human-centered design in action. So, number 1. Solve someone else's problem first. And this is the most reliable way really to build trust. And as one that most designers in my experience skip. When you join a new organization, the temptation is to start with your own agenda. Set up with a research phase or maybe completing some journey maps, propose a design system, whatever it is, something that might have worked in your previous role. But really, what we want to try and do are focusing on something different. And all of those other things are good things, but just don't do them just yet. Instead, find the person in operations or product or frontline delivery who is struggling with something specific. Learn what they care about and understand their pain point. Then use your skills as a service designer or a human-centered designer and help them fix it. Not in a big formal way, just be useful. What are you doing to showing to people that design really what it looks like in practice before they can really understand the theory? You're building relationships that matter enormously later on. It's a really valuable skill. Number 2, speak their language before you teach them the design language. And every organization has its own vocabulary. It's your own way of talking about success, risk, and value. And if you walk in using design jargon, which you know we're brilliant at, you're creating a distance, not connection. So listen first. How do they measure success in their place? What are the metrics that matter? What words do they use when they talk about customers or users? Adapt your language to really, truly fit their world. But this is not about dumbing down what we do. It's about making it accessible. You can introduce your terminology later once people trust you enough to learn it. And number 3, document your wins, no matter how small. This is so easy to forget, and I see it many times when I'm coaching organizations, but it's critical. Every small improvement that you contribute to, write it down. Keep a log, note what the problem was, what you did, and what you changed, and what was the result. You really need this. When the conversation eventually turns to, should we invest more in design? You do not want to be scrambling for examples. You want clear, evidence-based trail of impact that lives inside this organization, not borrowed from a case study somewhere else. You really want to lean into this. Credibility, folks, is not built on a single presentation. It is built through a steady drumbeat of small, visible contributions that really make people think. We should really involve designers more often. Now, this connects to a bigger theme that I explore in my newsletter, The Design Compass, about what actually works when you're trying to get buy-in for design. There's a link in the show notes, but that's it for today. And if you found this useful, share it with someone who needs to hear it. If you're not subscribed to the newsletter yet, just pop on over to www.thisishcd.com where you'll see our brand spanking new website. I'll talk to you tomorrow.